Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. You wanna say hi, mommy? You wanna say hi, mommy? She doesn't wanna say hi. She'll say hi later. But this is my first vlog of 2021. My first vlog in a long time. I haven't vlogged in a very long time. But today's my sister's birthday and we're gonna go take a day trip to Philly. And I'm really excited. Got my coffee. You guys haven't even seen my new car yet. Oh my goodness, this is I'm sitting in my new car, but we're not taking my car. We're taking my sister's car because I'm not trying to put all those miles on my car. No. But my sister's actually coming. I see her, so I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. I just wanted to start off the vlog. I'm on my new camera as well. Just everything new. New year, new me, you know? All right, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, so we made it to Philly. I hope you guys liked a few of the montages that I got. It was really fun. It only takes like an hour and a half to get where we are in Pennsylvania. We're not actually in Philly yet. We're in this town called Ardmore, which is where my family like I guess originated, I guess is the right word. I'm not really sure how to put it. But we're on the block where like all of my family like purchased homes and started out pretty much. It's really emotional sometimes when we come because like it's like where we started. If I think it's my great two greats, three greats, I'm not sure. They came up from South Carolina and this is the first place where they bought a home. In case you guys didn't know, I am black. I feel like it's obvious, but a lot of people don't know. So, you know, in those days and times, I don't know exactly what year it is. I can ask my mom. You know, it was, you know, hard for, you know, black people to buy a home and, you know, there was still a lot of racism, as there still is in America, you know. And at the end of the block, actually, there's this skating rink, where it's like an indoor skating club or whatever. And, this area of Ardmore, I think is like mostly black, but this skating rink was owned by white people and the black people couldn't skate there for a really long time. My like grandma who was born here like couldn't go down to the end of her block to skate because she was black. So a fun little fact for you guys. But yeah, so we're just hanging out. My mom and my sister went to go look at the house again. I'm just like uncomfortable looking at people's houses. Like if somebody like stands outside and watches my house, like I'd be a little creeped out, you know, but they have no qualms about it, which is perfectly fine with it. Oh my god, there was this guy riding his bike just now and his dog was like attached to his waist and it was the cutest thing ever and the dog was like running. Oh my god, that was the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I wish I could have showed you guys, but it happened so fast and I had to register it. But all of that to say, I think my parents, my mom and my sister are talking to a neighbor right now. And in this area of Pennsylvania, everybody's very friendly and everybody knows each other here. Like my mom, I pretty much am probably like 95% sure if my mom went into like a hardware store or like a mom and pop store here, they would know who she is. So that's just the kind of area that this is. I used to come here all the time when I was younger, like all the time, because a lot of my family still lives here, but due to COVID and everything, like I can't go visit them because a lot of them are older and stuff like that, so not gonna risk it for the biscuit. But I used to come here all the time during the summer and I will show you guys. I believe we're getting hoagies, which are pretty much just like subs. I don't know how to describe it, but like I always grew up calling them hoagies because that's what you call them when you're from Pennsylvania, even though I'm not from Pennsylvania. in case you guys didn't know, I know this is my first vlog of 2021, so a lot of you guys don't know me. So I live in New York. I was born and raised in New York. My mom and my dad are both from New York, but my grandparents on my mom's side, my grandmother is from Pennsylvania, which is where we are now. This is where she grew up. My grandfather on my mom's side was born in like Queens or Brooklyn, I'm not sure. And then my dad's side is from, I believe, Brooklyn. I'm not sure, but we're like, I'm from the city, but we just came here to visit and see the house. My sister's really into this type of stuff, like family history and stuff. I am too, but like not as much as her. I feel like, sorry guys, my sister came to get something. I guess they found the owner of the house or whatever, which is cool. Dope. I'm actually really hot right now. We're in my sister's car currently. I still have to give you guys a car tour. This isn't my car. I just said that. I'm hot. I get really hot really quick. So, today's actually my sister's birthday. You haven't seen her yet. You haven't seen any of the people I'm with. It looks like I'm all alone. But I'm not. So, yeah. This is it. We walked the street. Everything's super different. I remember growing up, like, thinking that this was, like, so country. Even though I did grow up, upstate New York, so it's just kind of funny that like now I'm like, this really, it is country. It's more country than where I grew up for sure. I'm sure somebody's probably looking out their window right now at me vlogging, but I gotta get used to it. Vlogs coming all 2021. So yeah, I'm really excited. Oh, I was talking about the hoagies. We're gonna go get hoagies, which are subs. I also, fun fact, have never had a cheesesteak. With all the times that I have been to Pennsylvania in my 26 years of life, I've never had a cheesesteak, which is crazy. So we're actually gonna go to Philly. We're gonna go to Primark, which is my favorite store if you guys are new here. We have a few in New York, in Jersey and Connecticut, but it's like always a trip to get to. So whenever there's one in like the vicinity of wherever I'm going, I have to go. So yeah, that's really it. I don't have anything else to say. I hope you guys enjoyed the little trip. I got a little Starbies. They still have the Christmas cups. Oh my god, I know. I'm gonna miss the Christmas cups. This is like literally the only time I get Starbucks is when they have the Christmas cups. I got a green tea. They didn't have the honey citrus mint tea, which is what I usually get. Because I had a, oh, this is strong. I need less of that. I usually get a medicine ball, but I can't even tell you guys what happened with that. So I went to like a rest stop Starbucks, which was like a fake Starbucks in my opinion. And I'm not really a Starbucks person. I don't like Starbucks hot coffee. I only like their iced chai tea or green tea or a medicine ball. So I feel like I've been rambling for way too long. So I'm gonna go ahead and go. My lashes are like lopsided. And yeah, I'm gonna head out. Hi guys, we're shopping. Now she'll say hi. She didn't say hi this morning. Happy birthday!
Hi guys.
Thank you.
It's her birthday. I just got Starbucks. I got a nice drink, especially when it's cold outside, because that's just the vibe, you know? So we're in, what is this called? Suburban Square? Yeah, we're in Suburban Square in Pennsylvania. It's like, has like outdoor shops and stuff. It's really cute. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but yeah, it's been a really fun day. It's kind of gloomy out, but it should be okay. Excuse me. Thank you. So we're here. There's like a Sweet Green, a Gap, I think it's down here. There's a Trader Joe's here. We're looking for the bathroom. What? It's down here. The farmer's market. So, I have my iced chai. We're heading down. We're trying to find a bathroom right now for my mom. We're gonna go get the hoagies. And it's been a really good day. And then we're gonna go to Philly. Should be fun. So, if you have anything to say on your 34th year of life?
Save your coins, kids.
Save your coin. If you haven't watched my budget videos, I would highly suggest it because I'm saving my coin. Thank you. Bought a car. Thank you. Have a great day. So, oh, that's cute. Boyd's pop-up shop. All right. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. This is a hoagie I was telling you guys earlier. This is an Italian hoagie. It has lettuce, tomato, onion. I got hot peppers and sweet peppers and provolone cheese, and my mom said it's not a hero. And I have a pickle on the side. I love the pickles. I got these chips from Trader Joe's. They're really, really good. The honey barbecue. And then I always have an orange soda, but it's in the back. Let me show yours. She got a turkey one. What did you get on it?
Turkey, provolone cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, olive oil, vinegar, sweet and hot peppers.
Yeah, so we're gonna eat because we haven't eaten all day. And this is like childhood right here. Yum, yum, yum. Hi guys. So
You feel better?
we finally made it to Philly. I'm sure I showed you guys a montage of, oh, there's a West Elm, of the city. We haven't been here in a long time. The last time we were here, my sister ran a marathon.
2015.
2015. Wow. It's a long periodically time.
5 years?
2021. So we're currently looking for Primark, my favorite store in the whole world. I'm so excited to go inside. We're looking for parking. We're also like doing directions so that we can find parking somewhere close. You're gonna go to the right. And we had the hoagies. They were so good. I'm so full, but I still want a cheesesteak because I can't leave here without cheesesteak. It doesn't have to. I don't. Should it be from whatever, Geno's or whatever?
Pat.
Or Pat?
Use the right 2 lanes to turn right on Market Street.
We can look when we you turn right here.
Hi, darlings.
That's my mom back there. She's getting used to the vlogging. That's one of.
Kisses.
Oh my gosh. That's one of my goals for 2020 is to vlog more. I was vlogging in public when we were at like Trader Joe's.
We put a little boy in the commercial behind his mother.
Oh yeah, oh my god. But we're looking for parking. I'll show you guys when we get there. And this is why I don't vlog. You guys see that? Everybody's always like, oh my god, show your friends, show your family. Here we are. But yeah, so we're gonna look for some parking, look for some clothes.
You'll arrive at Primark.
You heard that?
Jessica doesn't need any more clothes, bloggers.
I do.
She doesn't need any more shoes.
Who said anything about shoes? I said clothes. All right, I'm leaving because clearly I can't vlog, so goodbye. Well, vlog, that was a bust. Primark's not open. I'm pissed. I was ready to spend some money. Well, now I just have to go to the one closer to home. How unfortunate. But I didn't get anything. Actually, that's a lie. I got a cheesecake brownie, which sounds phenomenal. But now we're on our way to get cheesesteak, hopefully. Because I feel like I just now have bad luck.
Check and see what time they're open.
That's true. What is it called? Which one did you like more? Because we're going like Pat's and Geno's or whatever.
Across the street from
I'm vlogging
24 hours.
24
One
hours.
has the cheese whiz.
which is considered
The real deal.
the real deal.
Oh,
The other
ticket is in my bag.
Oh,
My wallet. Just pull my wallet out.
But yeah, I'm very sad. There was no Primark. We couldn't go shopping, but
That's not my wallet.
we're going. We're trying to find the ticket. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. We're pulling up on the cheesesteaks. I'm so excited.
and where's
Gino's is right there.
Gino's is
Past Gino's.
don't need a mistake.
That's past.
That's
Yeah.
And then Gino's is right here.
So which do you think?
I guess Gino's
Gino's is more
alive.
you can go right up to the window.
But don't let
Yeah.
the glitz and glam fool ya.
Yeah.
The destination is on your right, Gino.
Alright.
Spot?
I think so.
Just pull it.
Uh-oh.
Okay. We're all set up. Yeah. This is my first bite of the cheesesteak. I'm so excited. They don't cut it in half.
Yeah, like you have to ask.
You have to ask.
That's ridiculous. Okay, so I'm gonna take a bite. Not bad.
Good, bad,
It's good. I got the hype. Can you pass the paper towel? Took the whole thing.
Does it taste like cheesesteak?
Very tasty.
Very good.
Well, I can't complain. Very good. Definitely very greasy, but I like it.
It is greasy.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then we're gonna head home. I gotta get home to my sweet dog. And yeah, very good. I'm gonna have to come back and try Pat's another time. But yeah, it's very good. I got mine with onions and cheese whiz. Very, very good.
Okay.
Yum.